So hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to clean this lens. It is a Minolta Rokkor or Rokkor, I don't know how you spell that. 1.7, very interesting lens, also very cheap. You can find a bit everywhere on the internet. And then this copy here has some haze. I don't know if you can see it there, at least I can. So what we're going to do is to take care of that. You're going to see this lens is extremely simple to open, and then to do so we're going to start by removing this front ring here. So I use my rubber combs, and then here you go. This one comes out really easy. You don't need to force, and then on this copy I didn't see any traces of glue. So first thing, the ring out, then just let me get a screwdriver. So I take this one, and then I will use J00 tip, and then what I'm going to do is just to take out the 3 screws that hold the ring, or you have the thread that holds the ring. We just remove, and the thread for putting filters and many other things. Okay, so with these 3 guys gone, we have this thing. We pull it, and then okay, there's some traces of oil. We're going to get rid of that, and then we proceed to the next 3 screws. Good thing colors are exactly the same, so you cannot miss when reassembling the lens. And here you go. And there's a bit of oil everywhere in this lens. Here you go. We have removed the front element. You see, the construction of this lens is extremely simple. So what I'm going to do is to put the front element aside, and then here now we're going to remove the back element, and then that's the element that also needs the cleaning. But then for all cleaning purposes, I show you how to remove the front. So in case you have dust, you can simply come and blow the lens, and then if you have something like I do, which is haze, you can come and remove the back. And then here also very simple, there are 3 screws, and then if I am not wrong, these 3 screws hold the back element. One out. One out. Tear out. And then here normally you can remove the screw which fell here, this small plate, and then I think we can just simply pull the rear element, and then that's it. I have removed all the optical parts of this lens, and then what we have here remaining is the body, that in our case is in good condition, so I'm not going to bother with it. I miss a part, just a part, this cleaning that I'm going to do just now. And then here also we can remove the haze out of this surface. So I'm going to pick my cleaning stuff, so I see you back in a few seconds. So I'm back for cleaning, and then to start removing first of all this oily thing. I took the simplest thing, a bit of toilet paper, paper is going to absorb all that grease. Okay, remove the oil there, and then we're going to do the same thing here on the body of the lens. Okay, it's not really the most important part of cleaning, but it is always nice to know that your lens is clean. So that's for all the oil, and then we're going to tackle this hazy surface that I don't think you have seen already, the haze. So let me take my black glass that I have here, so I can produce a dark background so you can maybe see the problematic thing. And then, well, not really. Oh, okay, I think you can actually see it from the back. Not really. Yeah, let's try. Be a bit extreme. And then here. Yeah. Now you can see it. This is what we have on the inside of the lens. So let's try to clean that. I hope it is just haze and not something else. So this we're going to discover right now, and then to do so I take my optical cleaning fluid that I have here, then optical cleaning paper. Okay, I'm zooming it a lot, and then something to move the paper around, just a lens pen, just to move the paper around, and then something to manipulate the paper. So cleaning is quite straightforward. So what you do is just put a bit of lens cleaning fluid on the surface, then we take a small piece of paper I have here, and then we take the lens pen and we push around. And then I guess the surface dried a bit too fast. Let's do it again. Let's be quick. Okay. Now I got it really wet. And then we move the paper around. And then for me it looks good, so let's check it, and then okay, so we have all that haze which is gone. This is what we wanted. What you see is some grit which is behind. This we're going to clean when the lens is reassembled. So the clean was super easy, as well as the disassembly, you saw that. So now we're going to reassemble the lens. Just let me put a bit of distance away. I am ready for the reassembly of the lens. So Just let me take this, and then, as you are just seeing, this lens is a repair job, and that takes less than 5 minutes. It's taking a bit more because I am explaining to you everything I am doing, but then if you do it on your own, it's going to be extremely fast. So pick screwdriver. Let us just align this. Then we take this small plate, we align it, clean, close again, just to avoid the dust coming into the lens. Then here I need to make sure we have the 6 holes aligned. We put 3 screws for the optical block. Then we take this ring here that we need to put here. We put the 3 screws. Again, put back the frontal plate. And this is how you clean extremely fast a Minolta Rokkor 50mm 1.7. This is all I wanted to show you today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.